Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, another day, another walk tour here around Playa de Inglés in Gran Canaria, the Canary Islands, and it is super duper hot today. Right smack bang in the middle of summer, and the last time I checked, the temperature was about 38 degrees, and yeah, it's just after midday, I think. Could be wrong on that one though. There's a couple of clocks down here, so I'm sure we'll check that out. But yeah, check out this view. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It's just more beautiful. That's where you want to be, in that ocean. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll jump down a few of these steps and we'll find our way down around the centre there. And yeah, what we'll do is we'll weave in and out of the little shopping area over here called an XO2. Alright, let's go. Seems to be a bit of a pool party over there, you see it? People having fun. It's great.
Eres un guerrero, Álvaro.
Teníamos que haber ido a la playa, o sea, el primer día.
Alright, I'll meet you downstairs. And just like that, magic. That's the best thing about editing my own videos. I can cut out walking down the amount of steps. Big selfie opportunity here. You see the big stainless steel Mas Paloma sign. It's gorgeous, isn't it? And the big M. There you go. Just like that. That beautiful, beautiful water is just right in front of us now. Well, it's not as rough as the last time I was down here. See, we were just up there to start the video, up them stairs. Yep. As you can imagine, guys, it's just plenty of shops and restaurants here in the next O2. Well, some of the restaurants have some lovely beach views there, look at.
뭐?
Beautiful.
Y luego la enrosca. No sabe. Ah, perfecto.
This bar here on my left, Coco's. Yeah, it's a good spot. It's a good spot. So it's full of these little sort of news agents where you can get everything from cool drinks to sunscreens and ice creams and stuff like that. Fridge magnets.
Claro, pero yo siempre para eso de cemento ya va, ya va, ya va.
Hemos comprado acetona nosotros, y nos queda...
Vale, cariño. Y que se pone solito, a ver, déjame.
Super duper hot.
Feet side out.
Well guys, it's another one here from Playdingis. I'm just worried the camera is going to overheat because it doesn't last too long in this heat, even though I am using an external battery. But anyway, yeah guys, you're new to the channel, you're very welcome. If you are new, please subscribe. Yeah, and until next time guys, adios, peace.
Está